Okay, it's Matt again. I'm playing with the flowchart tools, the basic flowchart shapes, and I've drawn a little flowchart diagram. Again, I like this. It's like some of the symbols you can use in, say, PowerPoint. I like the fact that, like Visio, it sort of automatically connects um, your flowchart shapes. Um, if you anchor them at certain points and you can move things around. So again, interesting, a good drawing tool, but I'm most interested in seeing what happens with the floor plan design. So let me work on this a little bit more and then come back. I've tried to add a little bit more detail here. Again, just using the basic flowchart shapes and just to flesh this out a little bit, but you can see I've added some different documents that I need to have. I've added a people shape. Not a whole lot else that I can add here that'll add value to it, but I kind of get what we're trying here.